Many of us use Canva and we love it. It is, after all, one of my top 3 most recommended can't live without apps.
Let's turn Canva into a prompt engineering machine.
But are you taking full advantage of the magic, pun intended, of Canva's Magic Write?
Magic Write is underrated.
Canva Magic Write really is like an AI cheat code, especially when it comes down to what I'm about to show you right now. And I've been getting amazing results. And this honestly gives ChatGPT's prompt generation a run for its money. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn Canva Magic Write into a prompt engineering and generating machine. We'll do this to generate some awesome looking AI images, content creation, SEO, and much more. You'll want to stick around because today I'm sharing a ton of prompt generators that you'll definitely want to use and try within Canva itself.
For the best prompts you'll find, click the links in the description.
So let's head over to my Airtable Mega Prompts database to first take a look at some of these prompts that we'll be testing out right now. So if I click over on the left-hand side to the filter section, you can see that here are mainly prompts that can work well with Midjourney for DALL-E, and then of course my favorite app, Leonardo AI. But keep in mind, these prompt generators really are interchangeable, meaning what you use for one app, you can use for many others. So here we are first in Magic Studio, and this really is where all of the magic happens. And so what we're using today specifically is going to be Canva Magic Write. It could do anything basically that ChatGPT can do. And then as we scroll down, you'll notice Magic Design. This is also very cool. We have Magic Switch, Magic Media. This one is quite fascinating as well. Scroll down, we have Magic Grab, Magic Edit, Magic Eraser, Background Remover, and then Magic Animate. And then the one we're going to be using today, Magic Write. So let me open up the first prompt we're going to try. So do you know how in the past ChatGPT didn't have knowledge of real-time data, but did you know Canva can actually access real live data?
This is amazing.
Check this out, because the next thing we're going to do is simply based off of Leonardo AI's newest feature, Motion. Leonardo AI Motion just came out recently, but Canva seems to already know exactly what it is. We're going to use that as the basis of this prompt generator for the first prompt. So the first thing we'll do is activate Magic Write. Simply do that by coming over here and then just clicking on that plus button right here. Once that plus button is open, don't type right here in the search bar next to this purple magnifying glass. That's going to be for search. What you're going to do is activate Magic Write by simply clicking on it with the arrow key right here. Once it's activated and opened, this little prompt box will open up. Now watch this. You're going to ask it simply one question. What is Leonardo AI Motion? Okay, go ahead and then hit generate. Now watch this. This is real-time data, and even though it just came out, here it is. Leonardo AI Motion is a cutting-edge technology that uses AI to create highly realistic motion design elements. That's exactly what it is. Let's go in here and now hit this plus button. Make sure you have Magic Write opened up, and then here's the prompt that you could type in or copy and paste in. It says, generate prompts that are designed to create AI images in apps like Midjourney, DALL-E, and Leonardo AI. I'll provide you with the subject, and then you'll create prompts based off of that. My subject is Neon Lion. Once you have that in there, go ahead and then select generate. And then just like that, within a matter of a few seconds, we're going to get 3 amazing ones. Here we go. Sure, here are some prompts that could be used to generate AI images. Now we're back here in Magic Studio, and then let's go ahead and then scroll down and then try this out ourselves. And we'll first try this using Magic Media. And on the left-hand side, I'll just paste in the third option that it gave me, and then I'll go ahead and then hit enter, okay? There is the Neon Lion. Great job, okay? So we have 4 options that we could choose from, and now that's pretty cool. But where this takes things to the next level is when you use tools like Leonardo AI. This one especially, the way that the intricacies of the electrical neon wiring takes up the lion's body. All right, so I'm coming back over here into Canva, and I'm going to open up a brand new doc, and we're going to try this one more time. Open up that Magic Write, and so I'll paste that prompt in again, and now I'll say my subject is a cinematic image of a young woman in a futuristic city. Go ahead and then select generate. And then again, just like that, here we are. We have 4 awesome prompts that we could use and then try for ourselves. I'll go ahead and then copy and paste these prompts in a variety of different apps, and then I'll show you exactly what these created for us. Now, I tested these out in Midjourney. Now look at what it gave us for these images right here. This looks pretty cool. So this is going to be a young woman in a futuristic type city. And so this prompt that was basically created in Canva as a prompt generator actually made some very cool looking images in Midjourney. But then yet again, my favorite is going to be the ones that were created in Leonardo AI. Now this photo hit it right on the head. It's a cinematic still image, and I used the fine-tuned model albedo base, but Leonardo AI, in my opinion, did do the best job. However, much credit to Canva, because Canva is the one that actually generated this actual prompt to where I got this image right here. Stunning. And then to top it off, I got this third image in Leonardo AI with the Canva prompt. And now we have two women facing each other in a distant, futuristic type city, cinematic being the key word. So I think using this actual prompt within Canva has done a fascinating job creating some very good looking images. So moving on, another prompt generator I really like to use are going to be prompts specifically used to create content. In this case, we're going to try this out on a few things. We'll try YouTube content, and then we'll also try a few social media posts and also blog posts. We'll put them into Canva Magic Write and then watch this magic unfold. All right, so here we are back over here in Canva on a fresh, clean slate for Canva Doc. Again, go ahead and then hit that plus button and then select Magic Write to activate this prompt dialog box. Here's what we're going to type in, okay? And I'm actually going to copy and paste this specific prompt right here. Now, what this prompt is going to actually do is it's going to help 10x any current title you have for any sort of social media content. So you're going to actually just type in a generic title, and then Canva should instantly make way better ones for you. So we have this one copied, and now we'll head back over to Canva. So in the dialog box, that's what we're going to paste in right here, okay? You are the ultimate expert in creating clickbait type titles specifically for YouTube titles. I'll give you my current title, which isn't very good, it's generic, and then you're going to improve them and provide me with better ones. So here is at the very bottom where you're going to input your subject, where it says my title is colon. I'm going to just use what I'm doing for this video right here, and I just simply put use Canva as a prompt generator. Let's go ahead and then select generate, and then instantly within seconds we're going to get some amazing prompts. Here we go, okay? Now, just like that, we have 10 prompts that we could choose from. So the first one, get ready to be blown away. 10 ways Canva can help you generate writing prompts. Amazing. We have 10 right here. And then we also have 10 right here. I did this more than one time just to see the consistency on how good these titles can be. So here are the other 10. Unleash your creativity with Canva's prompt generator. Never run out of ideas again. How to use Canva's prompt generator. This is pretty cool. So we have this one right here, and we have this one right here. So just like that, we have 20 titles that we could use. Okay, so just for comparison's sake, I also wanted to put these into ChatGPT as well, just to show you guys that Canva does just as well of a job with these prompt generators. So on the left-hand side, we have 10 titles from ChatGPT, and then on the right-hand side, we have 10 titles from Canva. Now, you could look at these. Between the two of these, you have 20, but then if you include my other page, we have 30 YouTube title prompt generators. So here we go. Here's ChatGPT's Unlock Your Creative Genius, or the Ultimate Canva Hack. And then we have Canva's over here on the right-hand side. Look at number 4, look at number 10. Say goodbye to writer's block. Pretty cool. Number 10, the writing hack you've been waiting for. How to use Canva to generate unlimited writing prompts. So now let's move on to another very important factor. We're going to do something as far as SEO is concerned. We all know SEO is extremely important. So what we're going to do is, this is the same prompts database, but a different tab up here in the top left-hand corner. This is going to be the SEO prompts section. And let's look for content. We'll choose a content related one. And so I'll just open up this one right here. This is going to be a SEO Blog Pro, very simple and short prompt to use. I'm going to go ahead and then copy this one in here. We'll try this in Canva as well. Back over to Canva, hit the plus button again. I got Magic Write, and let's type in this prompt. Write an engaging article. Write an article that's 100% unique, SEO optimized, and human written in English. Include bullets in one of the headings, write it in conversational style. Okay, so what we're going to do is at the very end, I'm going to say, here is my subject. And then I'll just put in how Canva Magic Design works. I'll go ahead and then select generate. Just like that, we have a very good post, a good starting point. It is short, but that's no problem. So let's just take a look at how accurate this is. Have you ever wanted to create stunning designs for your business or personal projects? Here's the bullet points. Remember, we did say to add some bullet points, and it did that. 1, choose a design template, okay? Customize your design, let Canva Magic Design do the rest. Perfect. Now, let's just go ahead and now completely copy this whole entire process. What we're going to do now is now select on Canva Magic Write. Now, here's where more magic happens. From here, we can select continue writing, summarize, rewrite, more fun, more formal, fairy dust, etc. Let's just go ahead and then select continue writing so we can make this blog post even longer. And then just like that, look, it made it even longer. So it kind of rewrites the blog post, but this time it takes up a full page, and now it makes it longer. Now let's go back to my database, and let's try one specifically for keyword research. Okay, I'm going to copy this prompt right here. It's very simple. Let's see how good of a job it does for specific keywords in a related industry. Okay, so I'm going to paste the prompt right here. Provide high traffic keywords I can use in a blog post to rank higher in search results for, and then enter my specific topic and industry. Okay, so in this case, I'll put AI for marketing. Let me hit generate and then see what happens. And then here we go. Just like that, I'm going to get 10. Here are some high traffic keywords that you can use in a blog post to rank higher in search results for AI marketing. And we have artificial intelligence for marketing, AI's marketing solutions, machine learning. Okay, so that's pretty cool. Let's go over here to my prompt engineer page and really make Canva see what it can do. Now this one is going to be a lot. And so what we're going to do is copy this whole entire prompt right here. And this is going to be based off of people also ask in search, okay? So let's go ahead and then copy this whole entire thing. Basically what it says is you're the ultimate SEO strategist, an expert in all things keyword. I'd like you to provide me with 10 of the most relatable questions specifically for a keyword I'm going to provide you. But what we're going to actually do is instead of copy and pasting that very large prompt right here, we're actually going to narrow it down and make it much shorter. Using the same sort of prompt, we're going to make it much more simpler for Canva. So go back to Magic Write and now say this. I'll provide you with a keyword. Based off of that keyword, you'll provide me 10 popular questions. Okay, I'll provide you with a keyword. Based off of that keyword, you'll provide me with 10 popular questions that people search for related to that keyword. My keyword is Leonardo AI. Let's go ahead and now hit generate. Now, look, just like that, you could see in real time how instant that was. Okay, sure, here are 10 popular questions related to the keyword Leonardo AI. Number 1, what is Leonardo AI? How does Leonardo AI work? What are the benefits? What industries can benefit from using Leonardo AI? Beautiful. So here's how we can make things even better. Let's just say we want to use number 5 right here. Go ahead and copy number 5, okay? Come down below and then open up Magic Write one more time. Select it and now do this. So I'm going to say, please write a blog post pertaining to this title. All I did was copy and paste number 5. What are some real world applications of Leonardo AI? And I'm going to go ahead and then select generate. And now based off of this, it's going to write a blog post for me with that specific keyword it just gave me. Now look at that right here. Perfect. Here is the long blog post right here. So we could even take this. And again, like I said before, we can keep adding to Magic Write by just selecting it, and then we can continue writing, summarizing, rewrite, more fun, etc., sprinkle fairy dust, and it just goes on and on and on, the capabilities, features, and functions that we could use this for. Okay, so now you want to take things further. Now let's do one specifically for finance, okay? I'm going to come over here to my finance section. I'm going to open this one up called Stocks ETFs. I'm going to ask Canva, design a detailed guide focusing on investing in ETFs and index funds, okay? Let's go ahead and then copy this whole prompt, head over to Canva, and then paste it in and see what this came up with. Okay, hit that plus button again, select Magic Write, paste it in. Here's the full prompt, and now hit generate. Now, just like that, here we go. Investing in ETFs and index funds is a smart way to achieve diversified market exposure. And then we have everything from performance tracking to dividend reinvestments to passive investing benefits, potential pitfalls, all the way down to resources for continuous passive investment learning. Amazing. It honestly seems like everything I've thrown at Canva, it's handled perfectly. Now, I can go through all of these prompts I have, act as prompts, content creation prompts, all of these AI art style prompts, look at every sort of informational knowledge sort of prompt, awesome prompts, even these prompt engineers and finance ones that I just showed you. And it's almost like no matter what, Canva has gotten it right just about every single time. It's quite fascinating, and it's completely
Underrated.
how more people don't know about this. So I have to tell you, I am blown away and impressed with what I just shared with you today. It seems that every prompt and every sort of request I've thrown at Canva Magic Write, it's handled it perfectly. And even when you compare them to ChatGPT, it provides a good amount of competition. But let me know what you guys think. And thank you so much for watching this video. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because you'll be the first to know when all these videos come out. But until then, we'll see you next time.